Look at all these super fun bubbles. Do you know what they're for? They're for washing our hands. Let's get our hands super clean together. First, turn on the water. Whoosh. Now, let's get some slippery, bubbly soap. Rub your hands together, up, down, and all around. Let's make lots and lots of bubbles. Don't forget to scrub between your little fingers and even your thumbs. Let's sing a little song while we scrub to make sure they're extra clean. Now, rinse all the bubbles away. Bye-bye, germs. All done. Look how shiny and clean your hands are. Great job. High five for clean hands. Don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and follow for more fun adventures.